Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to this unboxing of my second Christopher Ward. It arrived in the same outer packaging as the C60 I recently did a review of, and these packages are among the nicest outer packages I've come across in the watch world. Now this little watch is just like the C60 on a loan from Christopher Ward. I'm gonna be allowed to wear it for a while and then it's going back. The packaging so far is exactly the same as the other one, with the sturdy outer box and the wooden parts. Let's pull the sleeve out. Let's keep the anticipation of the watch where it is. Empty in there. And here we have, it's exactly the same as the other one. I didn't buy this watch, so the warranty card won't be filled in. Instructions manuals and so on. And this time we actually might need the instructions manual because, oh, they sent it on the bracelet. Yes. Because what we have here is this beauty. They have several versions of Moonphase watches, and this is the C1 Moonglow in 40mm. And just look at that thing. That is stunning. I thought it's gonna be on the leather strap, but they sent it on this bracelet, and I think a bracelet like complements this type of dial really nicely. Do we have a screw-in crown? No, we don't. No need for it. Now, I don't have the slightest clue on how to operate this type of watch, so for the full review I will need to read up on it for once. Let's get some dimensions before we put it on wrist. Let's zero this one out. So we have a 40.5mm diameter, lug to lug of about 47, male end links. That will put a bit more, but due to the curvature I don't think we need to measure it. What type of thickness do we have? 13 with the domed sapphire crystal. Now just look at that beauty. Cool, awesome watch. Let's put on wrist, and this is how it's gonna wear on my roughly 17cm wrist. It was a display case back, right? But yet it lays fairly flat on my wrist. A bit of overhang, plenty of links to adjust. I can't wait to try this one out and wear it out and about. That is a thing of beauty. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, please take care, stay safe, and bye bye.